Welcome back, tech enthusiast. Today, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech trends and gadget reviews. We're diving into the world of car gadgets with our top 10 picks from Amazon that will transform your driving experience. Whether you're looking to boost safety, enhance connectivity, or simply make your ride more enjoyable, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up and let's hit the road with these must-have car gadgets. Meet the HOTO tire inflator, your perfect road companion. This powerful, portable air pump inflates car tires from 0 to 35 psi in just 5 minutes, making it 85% faster than before. With a 7500 mAh battery, it can inflate 15 tires on a single charge. Its smart auto stop prevents overinflation, while 4 preset modes make it easy to use for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and balls. A large LED display, built-in light, and compact rubber handle ensure effortless operation. The 27.6-inch hose and multiple adapters make it highly versatile. Whether you're on a road trip or daily commute, the HOTO tire inflator keeps you prepared. Stay prepared on the road with the jumpy 3-in-1 Jumpstarter, combining a Jumpstarter, charger, and vacuum in one compact device. Delivering 800 A start output and a 200 A peak current, it ensures a reliable jump start when you need it most. Designed for convenience, it's lightweight at just your 0.75 kilograms and easy to store in your car for emergencies. With an operating temperature of 20 degrees 60 degrees Celsius, it's ready for various conditions. The built-in cordless vacuum helps keep your car clean and crumb-free without the hassle of cords. Plus, the portable charger ensures your phone or other devices stay powered when you need assistance. Whether dealing with a dead battery or cleaning up on the go, the jumpy 3-in-1 Jumpstarter is your perfect roadside companion. The Viofo A229 Duo Dual Dashcam is the ultimate dual-channel front and rear dashcam, ensuring complete road coverage. Its voice notification provides instant audio reminders of the recording status. The front camera records in Quad HD 2560 by 1440p at 30 fps, capturing crisp details, while the super slim coaxial cable allows for easy installation and minimizes interference. The rear camera also supports Quad HD 2560 by 1440p at 30 fps, ensuring clear footage from behind. With a video protector and Wi-Fi enabled 5 GHz, 4 GHz faster than 2.4 GHz, you can transfer footage effortlessly. GPS support logs speed and location, while 3 parking modes offer auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording, ensuring 24/7 security. The WOLFBOX G900 3-in-1 Mirror Dash Cam features a 12-inch smart touchscreen with a 4K front and 2.5K rear camera for ultra-clear footage. Its advanced WDR and f1.5 large aperture ensure superior night vision, while the 320-degree wide-angle view minimizes blind spots. Built-in GPS accurately records speed, position, and route, and loop recording ensures continuous footage by overwriting old files. A G-sensor detects collisions and locks crucial footage, while 24-hour parking monitoring provides security. The supercapacitor design enhances durability and safety, and USB-C fast charging improves performance. The included 64GB card supports high-resolution recording, making the G900 a powerful all-in-one driving assistant. Experience seamless connectivity with the wireless CarPlay adapter, designed for vehicles with wired Apple CarPlay. Enjoy automatic pairing for instant access to navigation, calls, and music without messy cables. The adaptive vehicle display resolution ensures a crisp, clear interface, while the compact and lightweight design fits discreetly into any console. With multi-device support, multiple iPhones can pair effortlessly, making it perfect for shared vehicles. Featuring low power consumption and USB-C input for fast setup, this adapter enhances convenience for every drive. Upgrade your car experience today. Simplify your drive with the Garmin Drive 53 GPS navigator, designed for a seamless travel experience. View your route with ease on its bright 5-inch high-resolution touchscreen, ensuring clear navigation at every turn. Stay aware with drive alerts, keeping you informed about upcoming hazards and speed changes. Avoid jams and delays with real-time traffic alerts so you can take the fastest route. Need a break? Easily find food, fuel, and rest stops along the way. Discover top-rated destinations with TripAdvisor traveler ratings, or explore nature with the U.S. National Parks Directory. Navigate confidently with detailed map updates for North America, ensuring you always find your way. Jabra Drive in-car speaker is the easy and safe way to talk hands-free while driving. Designed for effortless use, it features accessible and intuitive buttons for seamless control. Jabra Drive provides spoken status updates, including low battery alerts, pairing instructions, and connection status. It also streams audio from GPS applications, guiding you with clear navigation like turn left. Enjoy crisp, noise-canceling sound that ensures your phone conversations stay clear on the road. With a simple setup and no installation required, just clip it onto your visor and start driving. Jabra Drive, drive and talk. Simple and safe. The Smart Car Air Purifier Ionizer features a compact design that fits most vehicle air vents, ensuring seamless integration without obstructing airflow. Easy to install, it utilizes a unique DBD reactor that emits positive and negative oxygen ions, swiftly breaking down pollutants without releasing harmful gases like ozone. Its electrode insulating medium enhances efficiency, effectively removing odors, formaldehyde, and other contaminants. With auto power on-off, it activates with airflow detection and shuts off when the car is turned off. Designed to purify every nook, it delivers fresh, clean air for a healthier driving experience. The CHG wireless car charger is designed for effortless convenience, featuring a versatile mounting system that attaches securely to your dashboard, vent, or windscreen. Its durable metal clamps provide a super stable hold, ensuring your phone stays in place even on rough roads. With a one-click release mechanism, you can quickly access your device without hassle. The fully automatic intelligent charging system delivers fast, safe power while preventing overheating or overcharging. Effortlessly switch between locations and angles, making it the perfect companion for a smooth, hands-free driving experience. Stay powered and focused on your journey with this smart and reliable charging solution. The Leyoutime Power Share outlet transforms your Tesla Model 3 and Y into a versatile power hub, featuring an advanced aluminum shell with a special surface treatment for durability. Designed for effortless power sharing, it supports high-wattage devices, making it ideal for outdoor camping, emergency situations, and construction sites. Its fast charging capability ensures seamless power for digital devices, household appliances, and even vehicle support. Whether escaping urban life or working on high-power projects, this innovative system provides ultra-reliable energy, allowing you to cook, charge, and operate essential tools anywhere. Thanks for joining us on this ride through the top 10 Amazon car gadgets. We hope you found the perfect addition to your car setup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Grid Zone for more exciting tech content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which gadget was your favorite, or if there's something you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay tech savvy.